I love Chinese food, it's my favourite. So today I'm going to make stir-fried beef with an oyster sauce. So I'm going to marinate my beef for a couple of hours. So I've got some beef and I've just sliced it into thin slices. I've got a really good jug. This is a Pampered Chef jug and it's got a lid so I can pop it in the fridge. So first I've got some dark soy sauce and some water. And to that I'm going to add some Chinese rice wine. Don't ask me to say it because I can't pronounce it. So I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of that. Some vegetable oil. Same again, a couple of tablespoons. And some cornstarch. I've got 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Give it a mix. I can smell that Chinese wine. Smells quite good. So I'll add that to my beef. If you marinate your beef as well, it helps it to break down the fatty tissues and the situs in the beef. So I'm going to pop this in the fridge for a bit and then I'm going to stir fry it up with my oyster sauce. There you go. So for my stir fried beef in oyster sauce, my beef's been marinating in the fridge and I'm going to fry it off. So I've got some ginger. I'm going to add my beef. I'm just going to let that seal. While it's sealing, I'm going to make my sauce. So I've got some brown sugar and some chicken stock. And then I'm adding some oyster sauce. Add a couple of tablespoons. It says 2.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Give that a good mix. So that's my sauce to finish off my dish once my beef's cooked. So we'll come back when my beef's sealed. So once my beef's sealed, I've kept it to one side and I'm going to finish it off now. So I've got some carrots, or a carrot, I've chopped up quite thin. Cook these off. And then I've got some mushrooms. I'm going to give these about 5 minutes just to soften off a bit. So now my carrots and my mushrooms are softened. I'm going to add my sauce. And then I'm going to put my beef back in. So once all that's warmed up, I'm going to serve it up with some boiled rice. Might have some prawn crackers as well. smells good though. Here's my stir-fry beef in oyster sauce with my boiled rice. Go to enjoy this. Don't forget, any leftovers you can freeze.